Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique for Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell the products in ShopFunnels. If you're watching this video for the first time, I would like to suggest that you watch our tutorial video on how to create a product in ShopFunnels first, if you haven't already. So, you'll have a better understanding of the steps that I will be showing you in this video. So, let's get started. We're now here on my admin login page. Let's first log in. Here on the dashboard, click on the store content found in the sidebar section. Then click on Store. Here you can see I have a lot of different types of store, so I'll just select My Store and click on the Edit Store button. Now let's take a look at My Store's homepage. You can see that we have a lot of different types of products, which are sectioned by categories like gold strap, steel strap, and metal strap. And you'll also see the featured products when you scroll down below. So if a customer wants to purchase this watch, they can just click on it, and they will be redirected to my order page. And all they have to do from here is click on the Buy Now button or Add to Cart button. Let me show you. If I click on the Buy Now button, I will now be directed to the order form page, and I can easily purchase the products from here. Now, what do you need to do as the seller? First of all, you need to add an email so that if a customer purchases the product, then they will receive an email from your site. To do so, you need to set up your email sequence. So let's go back to the dashboard and click on the Email Marketing tab and select Sequences. Let's create a sequence. Click on the Add Sequence button. Now let's begin by adding the title for it. Choose your SMTP. If you need help on how to manage your SMTP, we have a separate video tutorial just for that, and you can find it here on our playlist. After selecting the SMTP, proceed to selecting your list, and we also have a tutorial video regarding the lists. You can watch those for assistance. Next, choose the duration of the emails being sent on the Manage Sequence section. Then type in your email subject. Also for the unsubscribe message. And if you need help on these messages, we have a lot of template messages that you can use. You can find those on the Help tab located on the sidebar menu. You can easily copy and paste the template messages here. And you can also add any texts if you want. Just keep these shortcodes. Next, add your email content to this section. Again, you can use the templates available on the Help section. Just choose the correct template that you need, then copy and paste it here. For example, I'll use this shortcode. So I'll copy and paste it here. After that, select it and click on the Clear Formatting button. After that, you can add more text according to your requirement. Again, there are different kinds of shortcodes that you can use from here. When you're satisfied with your email content, then click here to add this sequence to your list. After that, I'll just go back to my store. Select my order form page, go to its settings, select my SMTP for the project. After that, select your list. And select the payment method. And we have a separate tutorials on these different options here. You'll find them here on the ShopFunnels playlist. But take note that you should not use this temp ready method. When all of that's done, save your settings. Now I'll refresh the page to show you I'll purchase this product. Now I'll add my details here on the order page. Now here on the other side, you'll see a box for the discount code. If your customer has a discount code, they can add it here. And again, we have a tutorial video on how you can use the discount code and gift card in the order form, or how you can send the discount and gift card code to your customer here on the ShopFunnels playlist. Now I'll just click here on the Continue to Payment button. So, because I have selected the cash on delivery payment method here on the page's settings, when I proceeded to the payment, now it shows the cash on delivery page. Now I'll just click here to send the OTP to the details that I have entered on the order form page. After that, I'll just check my email. Now I'll just copy the OTP that I received and paste it here. Then click on Verify. Now we'll see the payment confirmation page, for I have successfully purchased this product. If you want to edit your confirmation page, you can easily do so by going to your confirmation page editor. And here you can edit this page as you want. So I have successfully purchased the product, and you can see the purchase details here. Just click on the Products tab, go to Sales, and you can see the recent sale listed here. You also have action buttons here, where you can mark it as shipped, cancel the purchase, or copy the URL to clipboard. And if you want to see more of the details, just click here on the eye icon, and all the details available will be shown here. Now, if I check my email ID, I also received the full details here. Next, this time I'll show you how to purchase multiple products, like these products. What I would do is click on them one by one, and instead of the Buy Now button, I'll click on the Add to Cart button. After that, your customer can directly click on the Go to Cart button that would take them to the cart page. So here's the cart page, where all the added products are listed. Your customer can increase the quantity here. Then click on the Apply button. But you can also set a limitation on how many products your customer can buy at a time. To do so, just go back to your Products tab and select your product. Then click on the Edit Product Detail button. Now scroll down and select the number of products here on this option. And save it. Refresh this page. Now if your customer chooses to purchase beyond the limit you have set, then it will show an error message here that shows how many products they are allowed to purchase. You can also remove the product from here. Just click on the X button. Then, below, your customers can see the subtotal price and the related products. Next, click on the Checkout button. And it will take you to the order form page. I'll enter my details again. On the other side, you'll see your order summary and the box for the discount code. For this example, I'll use a discount code. So I'll go back to my dashboard, go to the Gift Cards tab, and select Discounts. Here you can see a discount code that I have created. Now I'll create a new one. And just check on the setup here. And don't worry, we'll cover a more detailed tutorial regarding the discount, and we'll add it here on the playlist. For now, I'll save this one. After that, just copy the discount code, or you can share the discount code with your customer. So I'll just copy the discount code and I'll paste it here. Now you can see at this time, I am going to pay this amount on the subtotal. And if I apply the discount code, now I'm going to pay this amount because of the 5% discount that was applied. So this is how you can use the discount code. Now I'll continue with the purchase. I'll just click here to send the OTP. Then check my email. Then check my email and copy and paste the OTP here. After that, verify it. Now I have successfully purchased the product, as you can see here. And if I check the sales for it, you'll see the total details here. You can also check the discount code details by clicking on it. Same goes for the order number. You can check it here. You can check all the details here, from your products to your customers' details. It's all available here. Same goes for your customers. They will receive their purchase details through their emails. And if you want to check your list, just click on the Email Marketing tab and click List. And you can see this customer list. Just click the Edit List. You can see all your customers' details. And that is how you can sell your products in ShopFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.